Hello. If you are watching this, it is because you finished the first part of this assignment and now you are down here because you want to maybe either practice more of your listening skills or because you found this activity to be too easy, so you want more practice. If you do not want more practice, it is okay. You do not have to do these activities. It's only if you want to do them. If you do them, you can get 2 extra points, just so you know. Okay, so with that being said, this will be your instruction video. So you can know how to do these 2 activities. So the first one, the first listening activity, you click on this link, okay, and it takes you to this website. So what you do is you go down, and then you find this. So here are your directions, here are your instructions, what you need to do. So it says click on the video below. So you click on this and you watch the video. When you watch the video, you also have to answer these questions. There are 5. So watch the video and listen. Listen. Ooh, if I can pause it. Pausa. Okay, yeah. Okay. So you listen. No captions. Do not put captions. No. Just listen and answer these questions. When you are done, you can just, I don't know if it's right. Okay. So you press the answers. Then you check answers right here. You press that. And then it tells me which ones I got right, correct, and which ones I did not get correct. I want you to copy. So you do this, copy your first time, and then you press close window. For your first time, copy and paste. I want you to put your score here, like that. Okay? So, when you press this, copia esto y ponlo aquí, donde dice copy and paste score here. Okay? That's one thing I want you to do. Then the second thing you can do, if you want, is you press on this link. This is the other activity. And this is a listening and pronunciation quiz. So you listen to the word.
Thorough.
Okay? And then you pick which word you think he said.
Throw.
So I heard for that one, maybe I heard this one, I don't know. Pero you pick. And it is just to see if you can hear the differences between the words, if you know the sounds of the words, if you know how to pronounce each letter. So this is a t sound, I, p, for example, trip. So this is another way you can check your listening skills. And then when you are done, you click check answers. Y otra vez, you're going to copy. And then you're going to paste your answers right there. And that is how you do this listen and write activity. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you still do not know what to do here, send me an email, okay? But that is all you will have to do for this.